How to use iPhone Live Photos in Premiere Pro. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Go to the bottom panel and tap on Collections. On this page, scroll down and go to the Media Type section. From here, tap on Live Photos. You can view all your live photos over here. Open any photo. Here, tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Select Save as Video. After that, go back and open up the Premiere app. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the plus icon. Locate and open the photo you just saved. You can now edit the photos as you using the edit options over here. Following these steps, you can easily use iPhone Live Photos in Premiere Pro.